Welcome back. Muslims will have to perform Qurbani on Bakri Eid only at Goa Meat Complex this year. Goa government, in its reply filed before the High Court, stated that there is no facility at other places to perform Qurbani for the festival. Qurbani for Bakri Eid will have to be performed at Meat Complex in Usgaon. Approving government's statement, High Court has directed the Petitioner Association of all Goa Muslim Jamaats to ensure that Qurbani will not be performed elsewhere in Goa.
Government informed High Court that a meeting was held between officials and petitioners on 19 September. Petitioners had agreed to perform Qurbani only at Goa Meat Complex in the meeting. But on 29 September, petitioners once again wrote a letter to Director of Animal Husbandry demanding to allow to perform Qurbani in open places at Mapsa, Panchi, Margaon, Bicholi, Valpui and Vasco. State government stated that it is not possible to provide required facility in open places. High Court has agreed with the government submission and has ordered to perform Qurbani at Goa Meat Complex only. But the High Court has asked government to find out options to perform Qurbani at other places in future. Government has to prepare a list of possible places in 2 weeks and has to submit before the High Court. The High Court has once again cleared that bulls of about 12 years of age only will be allowed to slaughter. Slaughtering will be done by meat complex employees and not by private parties. One representative of main petitioner Goansh Raksha Abhiyan will remain present at the time of fitness test of the eligible animals. Whole certification process will be recorded on the CCTV. The High Court has fixed 10th November for final hearing of all related petitions. Meanwhile, Goansh Raksha Abhiyan will hold dharna for 3 days at Azad Maidan in Panji, demanding complete ban on slaughtering of cow family in the state. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Sports Authority of Goa Executive Director Sandip Jaikis has asked Goa Cricket Association to come for face-to-face talks. The GCA had replied to SCG's show cause notice recently, but it had asked for some more documents to file an effective reply. SCG has now sent more documents to cricket body and has called their representative for talks on 9th October. SAG is looking to implement Pense Commission recommendation of derecognizing GCA if the indicted president Vinod Phadke continues in the top position.
The Goa Cricket Association, in its reply to Sports Authority of Goa's show cause notice, had asked for the copy of writ petition and the High Court order on the said petition. SAG has sent these documents to GCA along with a letter dated 29 September and addressed to GCA President and Secretary. SAG has now asked GCA to file an additional reply if it desires so, latest by 7th October 2014. The SAG letter further states that it is felt appropriate to hear you in the said matter on 9th October 2014 at 4 p.m. in the chamber of SAG Executive Director Sandip Jaikis. SAG has given GCA the freedom to depute its representative for the talks in case the President and Secretary are not available. However, if the GCA fails to attend the hearing, the SAG will presume that GCA has nothing to say in the matter. The competent authority shall be constrained to proceed against the GCA in accordance with the law, states the letter. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The prison authorities are still not able to speak out the completion status of the new Kolwale prison. They say it would take at least a month to review the exact status of the prison project. He spoke to media on Tuesday. IG Prison Sachin Shinde inspected the Kolwale Central Jail and Judicial Custody lockups at Mapsa. Shinde has instructed necessary modification. The Central Jail project is being monitored by the High Court. IG Prison Sachin Shinde along with Deputy Collector of Mapsa inspected the new Kolwale Central Jail project on Tuesday. They also inspected the Judicial Custody lockups at Mapsa. He inspected the ongoing construction work at both the sites. When questioned by media, Shinde said that he cannot confirm the time limit of commissioning of Central Jail at Kolwale.
That answer I can't give you, but we are working on that. Even High Court is monitoring the issues and its progress. So we have been replying regularly to the High Court about the progress, and we are expecting that we will be starting it soon. That I have instructed.
IG Prison has suggested some modifications.
Just routine visit that we have completed. That we have instructed the jail authorities, the problems to be sorted out.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent. The Mapsa CBI court has rejected anticipatory bail application of ex-Sarpanch of Sakwar Ramakant Borkar and Punch member Shivanand Bingi in corruption case. The court has directed police to search houses of both the accused and arrest both of them if they are found at their residence. Meanwhile, a bike thief was nabbed at Vasco with 4 two-wheelers.
The Special Anti-Corruption Court at Mapsa on Tuesday rejected anticipatory bail applications of ex-Sarpanch of Sankwal Ramakant Borkar and Punch member Shivanand Bingi. Both are accused for demanding and taking bribe for issuing occupancy certificates. This is the second corruption case against Ramakant Borkar. The court has also directed beat police officers to conduct house search of both the accused as both are absconding. The court has directed to arrest them immediately. Meanwhile, a bike thief was nabbed at Vasco with 4 two-wheelers.
असलम चांदसाप दलागर म्हणून तो एक गाडी घेवन वयतालो डिवो गाडी तिका नंबर प्लेट नसली म्हणून आमच्या स्टाफान LIP स्टाफान ताका डिटेन केलें आनी विचारलें तो कांय सांगपाक पावलो ना त्या गाडी विशीं ताका फर्दर हाडून आमी हांगासर इंटरोगेट केलो ताणें आपूण आनी 2-4 गाडयो चललेल्यो आसा म्हणून सांगलें त्या प्रमाणे आमी ताच्या कडल्यान 3 डिवो आनी एक स्प्लेंडर रिकवर केली 3 डिवो आनी एक स्प्लेंडर आमच्या कडेन ऑलरेडी 2 केसी हांगा रजिस्टर जाल्ल्यो आसा गाडयो थेफ्ट केसी तितूंतल्यो 2 गाडयो मेळ्ळ्यो आनी 4 आनी मेळ्ळे आनी 2 मेळ्ळे आमकां एक्स्ट्रा सो आमी आतां फर्दर वेरीफाय करता.
Mukesh Kumar with Dishant Parab for Prudent.
We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.